Goddess Kalista, Goddess Kalista, 211 Goddess, Goddess Kalista, Goddess Kalista, Goddess Kalista. I thank you for the rain, I thank you for the sun and the birds and the trees and the butterflies and the grasshoppers and the crickets too. And the bunnies and the robins and the forest creatures and the deer and the elk and the wolves and the lions and the tigers and the bears. We gon' face every fear. Get it up out of here. No shame in our game. We easing our pain. We living our way. We love to be in the light. This is right. This is mine. Brought that height. This is why I survived all I did. This is why we're limitless. This is why we're always win. And I'm right here for you. Every single day of the year for you. I'ma shed some happier tears for you. Tears of victory. You're the best when you're being yourself and you're happy and you're blessed. And they put you to the test. Don't let nobody come against you. I just wanna come with you, anywhere you want, anytime, any place. I love to see your face in my lock screen. You know deep down you really got me. I'm a real G, I'm hanging on everything that you really need. Set me free, the freedom of taking care of you, and waking up loving you again. Every single day. I ain't come to play. I thank you for the rain. I thank you for the brighter days. I thank you for a wish. What we have, this bond is sacred. I had to face it fearlessly and ferociously. I will love you with everything I got. I will protect you with everything I got. And I will never stop. Every time a record drop, I'ma give it all I got. We've been reaching for the top, but we are right here. And it's still right here. And this life is fair. And it is what we do when we care for each other. 211 Goddess. Goddess Kalista. Goddess Kalista. Goddess Kalista.